Welcome to the journey of becoming a programmer, even if you lack professional experience. It's a road filled with challenges and triumphs, and it's not for the faint-hearted. But don't worry, it's not an impossible task. Landing that first programming job without any experience might seem like trying to scale a towering mountain. But with the right skills, plenty of hard work, and a dash of consistency, you can make it to the top. You don't need to have years of experience under your belt to break into the world of programming. What you do need is fluency in at least one programming language, a solid understanding of data structures and algorithms, and a portfolio of work that showcases your abilities. And let's not forget the importance of networking and connecting with industry professionals. So if you're ready to take on this challenge, buckle up, and let's dive into the steps that can help you become a programmer without experience. The first step towards becoming a programmer is mastering at least one programming language. This is your foundation, your toolbox, the key that unlocks the world of coding. Programming languages are the means by which we communicate with computers, instructing them to perform specific tasks. Whether you're developing a website, creating a mobile app, or programming a robot, you'll need to be fluent in at least one language. But which one should you learn first? Well, that depends on your goals. If you're interested in web development, you might consider starting with HTML and CSS, then moving on to JavaScript. For data analysis or artificial intelligence, Python could be your go-to. And if you're eyeing a career in enterprise software, Java or C# might be the right fit. The good news is, there are plenty of resources available to help you learn. Online platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, and Udacity offer courses in various programming languages. There are also countless tutorials on YouTube, blogs, and forums where you can find help and advice. But remember, learning a language is more than just memorizing syntax and rules. It's about understanding how to solve problems, how to structure your code, and how to think logically and creatively. And that comes with practice. Lots of practice. So, set a schedule, stick to it, and write code every day. Work on projects, solve coding challenges, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. After all, every error is a learning opportunity. Remember, the key to mastering a programming language is consistent practice and genuine curiosity. Once you've learned a language, the next step is understanding data structures and algorithms. So why are these two concepts so significant? Well, they're essentially the building blocks of programming. Imagine data structures as the storage boxes for your code. They help you organize your data in the most efficient way. Whether it's arrays, linked lists, or hash tables, each one serves a unique purpose. Some are perfect for quick data retrieval, others for data sorting, and so forth. Now let's talk about algorithms. Think of them as the step-by-step recipes that tell your program how to solve a particular problem. It's about finding the most effective way to sort, search, or manipulate data. Algorithms are all about efficiency and scalability. But where can you learn these critical concepts? Plenty of resources are available out there. Online platforms offer comprehensive courses on data structures and algorithms. Books like Introduction to Algorithms are also great resources. And don't forget about coding challenge websites. They provide a fun and interactive way to practice and apply what you've learned. Remember, programming is not just about writing code. It's about solving problems in the most efficient way. And that's where understanding data structures and algorithms come in. These concepts are often the backbone of coding interviews, so make sure you understand them well. Now that you've got the skills, it's time to showcase them. This is where building a portfolio comes in. In the realm of programming, a portfolio serves as a tangible representation of your skills and capabilities. It's like a personal gallery, exhibiting the breadth and depth of your coding prowess. It's not just about telling people what you can do, but showing them. Imagine you're a painter, but instead of brushes and canvases, you're armed with code and algorithms. Each project you work on is a masterpiece that demonstrates your unique style, approach, and understanding of programming. But where do you display these masterpieces? Well, platforms like GitHub become your virtual exhibition space. GitHub is the Louvre of programming, where coders from all around the world showcase their work. By uploading your projects here, you provide potential employers with a window into your abilities, allowing them to see exactly what you can do. Now, you might be thinking, what kind of projects should I include in my portfolio? The answer is simple: projects that demonstrate your skills. If you're a whiz at Python, create a complex data analysis project. If you're a JavaScript Jedi, build a dynamic, interactive website. Remember, the goal of your portfolio is to impress, to show off your coding chops. So, choose projects that challenge you, that push your boundaries, and that ultimately display your growth as a programmer. Doing so, you're not just showcasing your technical skills, but also your problem-solving abilities, your creativity, and your passion for coding. It's about painting a comprehensive picture of who you are as a programmer. And here's a little secret. You don't need to wait until you're an expert to start building your portfolio. Start now, start small. Even the most successful programmers began with a single line of code. A strong portfolio can often speak louder than a resume when it comes to proving your programming abilities. While your skills and portfolio are crucial, networking can often open doors. Now let's dive into the world of networking and connection making. You see, in the programming world, just like in any other industry, it's not only about what you know, it's also about who you know. Networking can seem daunting, especially if you are just starting out. But remember, every professional, even the most successful ones, were beginners once. Here are a few tips to help you navigate the networking landscape. Start by attending industry events and meetups. These are great platforms to meet like-minded individuals, learn from their experiences, and even potentially meet your future employer. Don't limit yourself to physical events only. There are numerous virtual meetups and webinars that you can join from the comfort of your own home. Online platforms like LinkedIn, GitHub, or Stack Overflow are also valuable tools for networking. Engage with posts, share your work, and don't hesitate to reach out to professionals you admire. Remember, humility and curiosity are always appreciated. Join online forums and communities of programmers. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and share your insights. This not only helps you learn and grow, but also showcases your passion and dedication to potential employers. And finally, don't forget to follow up. Send a thank you note after a meaningful conversation or a helpful interaction. This helps you stand out and keeps you fresh in people's minds. Remember, networking is not about immediate gain. It's about building long-term relationships and standing on the shoulders of giants. Remember, people hire people, so make sure you're making connections in the industry. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the need for persistence and resilience. As with any journey, the road to becoming a programmer is paved with challenges. It's not always going to be a walk in the park. There will be times when you'll face roadblocks, when the code won't compile, or when the job applications keep coming back with a no. But it's in these moments that your resolve will truly be tested. The key to overcoming these obstacles? Persistence. It's about picking yourself up after each setback and continuing the march forward. Yes, you might get 100 rejections, but remember, you only need one acceptance. It's about viewing each failure not as a dead end, but as a detour on your path to success. Just as a programmer debugs a program, finding and fixing errors until it runs smoothly, you too must debug your journey. Learn from each rejection, each failure. What can you do better next time? What skills can you improve? Resilience, on the other hand, is about maintaining your passion and drive in the face of adversity. It's about reminding yourself of why you started this journey in the first place and holding on to that motivation, even when the going gets tough. Remember, every rejection is a step closer to an acceptance, so keep pushing and never give up. So there you have it, the roadmap to becoming a programmer without any experience. We've covered the essentials you need to know, starting from mastering at least one programming language, to understanding the critical concepts of data structures and algorithms. We've discussed the importance of building a tangible portfolio, showcasing your skills to potential employers. We also talked about the significance of networking, connecting with professionals in the industry, and how it can open doors to job opportunities. And let's not forget, the power of persistence and resilience in the face of challenges. Remember, the journey may be tough, filled with hurdles and setbacks, but the destination is certainly worth it. It's all about skills, hard work, and consistency. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Start small, keep learning, keep coding, and keep pushing yourself. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Now it's time to take the first step and start your programming journey. Good luck.